Firstly, we import NextResponse and NextRequest. The NextResponse is an API that allows us to create custom responses for our NextJS server. NextRequest contains the metadata about the incoming request. We define a middleware function that will process every incoming request. We create a response object by calling NextResponse next. This will enable us to customize the headers before the response is sent to the client. Here we define the content security policy, CSP for short, using a template literal string. The strict dynamic directive in script src allows scripts to load additional scripts if they are authorized by a nonce or are received from a trusted source. Notice the nonce random placeholder, which will be replaced by an actual nonce value. We also use unsafe inline, which allows the use of inline scripts, and HTTPS. Finally, we set object src to none as a safety measure to prevent injection of plugins. The CSP string gets assigned to the header of the response after replacing random with an actual nonce value. After setting the header, we return the modified response object, which now includes our strict content security policy. This ensures that all subsequent resources loaded by the app will comply with our policy. In this helper function, we generate a strong nonce value. We use Node's crypto module to generate a random sequence of bytes, which we then convert to a base 64 string. To ensure we have a valid nonce, which should only contain alphanumeric characters, we strip out anything else using a regex replace. This nonce will be inserted into the script tag on the server side and must be matched by the script's nonce attribute on the client side for the script to execute.